Bring your water source to life with a fountain from Kasco. Once you have assembled your fountain, it is now time to install your new fountain into your water source. This video will take you step by step through the process. What you will need: assembled Kasco fountain, control panel, 2 mooring ropes, 2 anchors or 2 ground stakes, zip tie, self-provided screws, drill, boat. First, you will mount the control panel on a post or other stable structure near your power source, more than 5 feet away from the high water point. Look for the top and bottom mounting points in the housing of your Kasco control panel and use the appropriate mounting hardware to secure it to your structure of choice. Do not plug the cord into the outlet at this point. Once the control panel is properly mounted, it is time to prep the fountain assembly. Your first step is to attach the mooring ropes to the float. Locate one of the 2 rope holes and run the mooring rope through it, looping the remaining length through the end loop to tighten the rope on the float, as displayed here. Repeat this process for the other rope. Next, pull some slack in the cord and use a zip tie to attach it to the float. This provides strain relief for the cord, and any strain placed on it in the water will not damage the unit or cause the float to tilt. Don't forget to clip the excess zip tie material. If you have any lights on your fountain assembly, be sure to add strain relief to their power cord, as displayed here. If you are dropping anchors into the water to stabilize the fountain, attach them to the mooring lines. Our pond in this video is lined, so we'll use a bell anchor without any sharp edges so that we don't damage the lining. If your water source is not lined, you can use another type of anchor, such as a cinder block. Take a second at this point to plan the location of all your anchors. This will save you a lot of back and forth. For dropped anchors, follow the chart displayed here or in your owner's manual for recommended rope length and installation options, depending on water depth. If you are mounting the ropes to the shoreline instead of anchoring, attach your first rope to the shoreline, like this. Confirm that there is no power to the fountain before approaching the water. To transport the fountain to the installation point, place it in the water near the shore and put the remaining anchors in the boat. Always tow the fountain by the mooring ropes and not the power cord. Pulling the unit by the cord at any point could cause damage to your fountain. Row until the line between the first anchor point and the float is taut. Then row until the second anchor line is taut and drop the anchor. Now you're ready to plug in your fountain. Once there is power to the unit, proper mooring will prevent the float from spinning in the water. If you do notice any spin, turn off the power and adjust the anchor placement as needed to stabilize the fountain. Then all that's left to do is sit back and enjoy your new water feature. And remember, if you have any issues, please give us a call at 715-262-4488, and the best customer experience team in the world will be able to help. Kasco, moving water forward since 1968.